Hey everyone, welcome back to Small Batch Devs. My name is Austin.
And I'm Elliot. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up a budget in the AWS console.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button so you are notified whenever we post new videos. Just hit all the buttons. But without any further ado, let's jump into it. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into the AWS budgets. We're going to head to the service, and it's important to have AWS budgets in place because especially when you're not in the free tier anymore, you may have services running and not know how much you're actually consuming. So you'll end up, and I've done this personally, you'll end up having a bill that is much higher than you expected. So it's good to have budgets in place because you actually get alerts before you reach the budget, and then you'll be able to actually stop using these services once you actually reach the budget. So let's go ahead and type in the search bar in the AWS console for our budgets.
So once you're on the budget screen, we're going to click on create a new budget, and we're going to be using a cost budget. So go ahead and select cost budget and click on set your budget.
So now we're going to actually set up our budget. So we'll go ahead and give it a name. We'll just call it budget. And we can select the period. We're going to just have a monthly budget. It will be recurring, so it'll happen every month. We'll start it in this current month, which is April 2021. We'll have a fixed budget amount. We'll go ahead and set it at $20. Just set this to whatever you're comfortable with paying as your maximum amount. And then in this next section here, we'll just actually set additional budget parameters. So just dependent on different parameters of the different services that are offered. We'll just leave it as is for now, and we'll go ahead and configure our thresholds on the next page.
So the next step in the process is to set up a threshold and an alerting system. So for us, we're just going to set a threshold of 50%, which means when our budget reaches $10, aka 50% of our $20 maximum, we'll get a notification. And we're just going to be using an email notification, but at the bottom of this page, you can see that you can also hook this up to Amazon Simple Notification Service, which can push out to any number of services, as well as an AWS chatbot, which can send messages to Slack or to some other messaging service like Discord, whatever you're using. So like I said, we're just going to set a 50% budget threshold. And you can see right here that it's calculating to $10, which is good. That's what we want. And we're also going to enter our Small Batch Devs Gmail to be notified if we hit that 50% threshold. Hopefully you can set up with this one. Hopefully.
Now we're just on the confirmation screen for our budget. So we can go ahead and look through the details real quick and then just go ahead and click create.
So this is just a general screen where you can see all of your budgets. As your AWS usage grows, you'll probably have different budgets tracking different projects or different services. It's a really nice feature, and it's very helpful so that you don't get surprise charges from your AWS service usage. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you implement budgets as part of your AWS journey.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, also hit that notification bell to be notified when we ever post more AWS content. Hopefully that's very soon. I'm sure it will be. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you very soon.
Peace.